Mexico's long been a country in which journalists face attacks. But now there's a new and growing risk: politicians taking legal action against critical reporting. It's censorship by any other name, says Jorge Luis Gonzalez, one of the latest reporters affected, after Campeche State Governor Laida Sansores accused him of inciting hate against her.
Lo que la gobernadora quiere es silenciar.
What the governor wants is to silence journalists, communicators, of which there are few, and she also wants to silence society. She doesn't want anyone to talk about the problems in the state, about the lack of transparency or the insecurity that exists.
She's complained about critical, anonymous articles published in the newspaper Tribuna. She alleges he wrote them. He denies it. Gonzalez says he retired from the outlet 8 years ago. Now the government's enlisted the courts. Gonzalez says that a court representative will check anything he or Tribuna writes about the governor for the next 2 years before it can be published. Sansores' representatives didn't respond to our interview requests, but she's cast herself as a defender of women.
What these are misogynistic attacks that do have an impact on society because they become normalized. So if they insult the governor every day and nothing happens, why wouldn't they insult their woman at home?
Other female Mexican politicians have taken the same tack against journalists. The mayor of Acapulco, Abelina Lopez, recently sued a reporter who wrote critically of her administration's handling of a hurricane. She said it incited political violence against women. His outlet was forced to apologise. The Committee to Protect Journalists has warned against the trend, but it's also part of a bigger picture. Over the past 5 years, more than 150 journalists in Mexico have been hit with libel lawsuits, according to the Mexican branch of Article 19. The turning point came in 2016 when a Mexico City court removed the cap on the amount that plaintiffs could claim in moral damages cases. That opened the door for politicians to go after reporters and media outlets with potentially crippling financial demands. In a separate case brought by Sansores' spokesperson, Jorge Luis Gonzalez has been ordered to pay a more than $100,000 fine. He's worried he'll lose his house. Everything else, he says, is already gone. John Holman, Al Jazeera, Mexico City.
Don't miss out and get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.